Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a get ready with me. I'm with myself and Sebastian, and it'll be featuring this beautiful curly hair that I'm currently wearing from West Kiss Hair. So if you're interested, please keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my makeup. My makeup is the same as it always is. I don't really do much when it comes to makeup. I stick to what I know and it works just well for me. So now onto the hair. So I received 4 bundles of the Brazilian curly texture from West Kiss Hair, and the lengths were 2 24s, 2 22s, and a 20-inch 13x4 frontal. Now what I can say about this hair and this texture is when I took it out of the packaging, it was very soft, and after I made the wig and I co-washed it, it still maintained that beautiful soft texture. Now with the frontal, I did bleach the knots as always. I didn't do anything to the hairline though. It was lightly plucked, so it wasn't too bad. Now being that the hair is curly hair, I definitely do experience some tangling at the nape. Now with curly hair, obviously you do get a bit more tangling because of the curl pattern and it interlocking with one another. Now in terms of shedding, I do get a bit when I'm co-washing the hair and I'm obviously brushing the curls out. Now I am co-washing it after I wear it every day because by the end of the day it definitely does frizz up and it gets quite big and poofy. But all in all, I have been loving this hair. I love the curl pattern. I love that it's full but it's still very light and fluffy. It's not too heavy and it just looks really pretty. Okay, so now on to Mr. Sebastian. So I've already bathed him. I did that off camera because that is a mission in itself. And I've put moisturizer on him and he's got his singlet on, he's got his nappy on. So I'm just going to dress him up now and put on his outfit. combing his hair is also a mission sometimes. I always comb it after I wash it because that's when it's easiest to detangle. And he's pretty good for the most part. Some days he cries, other days if he's distracted, he's cool. Okay guys, so that's it. As you can see, Sebastian's rocking his cute little khaki outfit with his army print jacket, and I've got a camel and black combination going on. We're actually going to the mall today. We've got a few things to do because Sebastian's birthday party is coming up and we've got to go do some shopping. It's actually his birthday today, guys, as well. So I'm just going to take him out and we are hopefully going to have a wonderful day. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video if you liked it, and also leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. We will catch you in our next video. Bye!